Hello everyone. Good morning. Jai Shri Krishna. I'm Dr. Akshita Sharma. In Hindi, it is Akshita. In English, it is Dr. Exita Sharma. So, first of all, respected Honorable Chief Justice of India and all other Supreme Court judges, I respectfully extend my sincere appreciation to the Honorable Supreme Court of India to take this suo motu cognizance in regard the Twisha Sharma case that tells about for its a continued commitment towards the justice, constitutional protection, the human rights, and scientific investigation, and strengthening the rule of law in India. So I really appreciate for the suo motu cognizance. Now, with the utmost respect, I humbly request the consideration of the structure framework regarding the 8 types of the inquest in the medical, legal, and unnatural death investigation. And the purpose of this proposal is to encourage the greater scientific classification, uniformity, documentations, and clarity in the cases that involve especially the homicide, suicide, accidental death, and custodial death, and other medical legal matters. So this is a special Twisha Sharma case. So that defending the rights and upholding the justice, which is presented by me, Dr. Akshita Sharma. So here is a list of contents that is a structure framework regarding the 8 types of the inquest. First, police inquest, the medical doctors, AIIMS inquest, and the media inquest, the coroner lawyer inquest, religious inquest, high court inquest, CBI inquest, and the Supreme Court inquest. Now, first, I would like to tell everybody that what is an inquest? Inquest means an official inquiry, a legal investigation to know the cause of a natural and suspicious death, like a dowry death, unexplained death. So first, let's talk about the police inquest that is conducted by the Bhopal IPS Sanjeev Kumar Singh and his team members. Report that is called the Panchnama to submit the Supreme Court along with the 5 witness statements, and it required the total 20 questions within the 20 pages, and their professional fee is a monthly salary, and the main goal is a critical thinking, communication, and attention to the details. Second is a medical inquest by the AIIMS, the Department of the Forensic Medicine, Dr. Aneet Arora, and the HUD team members. Report the antemortem to submit the Supreme Court, 5 witness statements, total 20 questions, 20 pages. Why? The right to equality for the work, to get the opportunities. Same goal, the critical thinking, communication, and the attention to the detail. Second inquest, medical inquest, that is done by the AIIMS Delhi under the Dr. Sudhir Kumar Gupta and his team members, and that is a post-mortem report to submit the Supreme Court.